Hello, contractors and business enthusiasts. If you're eager to become a registered vendor contractor in the stunning Miami Beach City, Florida, using Periscope S2G, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of registration and navigating the Periscope S2G platform to access exciting business opportunities in this beautiful city. Let's get started. First things first, let's understand what Periscope S2G is. It's an online platform used by government agencies, including Miami Beach City, to connect with vendors for procurement opportunities. It's your gateway to city contracts and bids. Begin by registering as a vendor on the Periscope S2G portal. To access the procurement portal, you must first visit the official Miami Beach website. Click on City Hall and Procurement and Vendor Self-Service. Next, click on the Login/Register button. Provide your email address. In the Vendor Self-Service, click on the Create New Vendor button. Thoroughly fill out your vendor profile. Include precise company information, services you offer, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. A comprehensive profile enhances your visibility to government agencies seeking your services. Verify your email address by checking your email inbox. Once your email is verified, create your password. Get invited to bids by creating an account with your company information. Once your company information is added, click Next. Choose your sales territory. Next, enter your keywords. Keywords are used to create bid lists that cater to your business. After you log into Periscope S2G, you can change your keywords. You can also enter keywords that eliminate bids from your bid list. Click Next. Based on your keywords, the appropriate NIC codes have been selected. Increase bid relevance by letting Periscope S2G know if the bids fit your business preferences by giving it a thumbs up approval or thumbs down. You can edit the codes now or later in the company profile. Select NIC codes and save and continue. Your business profile is completed. Once registered, explore the platform for procurement opportunities posted by Miami Beach City. These can include bid requests, requests for proposals, and other contracting opportunities. Carefully review each opportunity to ensure they align with your services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other entrepreneurs. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.